What is that? Look.
Oh,
What is that?
but ladyfish.
So spring is coming, apparently. Still got a jumper on. But it's time to grow your seeds and plant your herbs. So keep watching and I will show you how you can make this hanging planter.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Now that my magic trick is over, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I bought these little plants from Ikea and I decided to make them a home. I know I'm not sowing seeds and planting herbs, but cactuses are non-seasonal and I wanted to add a touch of greenery to my garden, which will grow all year round. So first thing I did was get 2 pieces of pallets, put them to either side and marked where I'm going to make the cut for the length, and I've put my plant pots inside with the equal distancing and used another scrap piece of block on the edges to be the connection between the 2 planks. So here's the first set of cuts to size up the pallets. Now I'm just going to sand off the pallets to make it smooth and make the wood pop out a bit. This is a very easy beginner project. Literally needs 3 pieces of planks, 2 blocks and a piece of string if you wanted to hang it. Nothing too technical here, just a few simple pilot holes to make the connection. I like working with the reclaimed pallet wood because obviously it helps with the whole environmental aspect of it, and also as a beginner woodworker myself, and if you want to start woodworking, pallet projects is a great way to begin and learn a lot from. And guess what? You can get it for free. And now for the bottom, same thing as before, a few pilot holes and then screws go directly in. Because the pieces are thick enough, it will hold quite strong anyway. And near to the end, as you keep watching, you'll see me make holes at the bottom for the water to seep through, because obviously you want water to escape as it's a planter bed. I just finished off the last bit of sanding. I mean, I do not want to deal with splinters because the weed is bad enough. I also have a Etsy page which you can check out some of my other projects that I've made. This one will be available too, so check out in the description. I will leave a link to my Etsy page. So far so good. I'm liking how it's turning out. Now let's dry fit the planters in and do the spacing. Yep, I am happy with the spacing. Now you can see me drilling a hole so I can put the rope through. Just a quick tip, to channel the rope through the hole, I am using a screwdriver to literally push it through and make the knot on the other side. As you all know, gardening can be a bit of a messy job. So to make my planter much more long lasting, I decided to give it a protective coat of Danish oil, which will also pop out the grain much better and it will help with the cleaning. As you can see, it looks much better with the Danish oil finish compared to how it looked in its raw form. So I'm very happy with the way it turned out and the way the wood grain is popping. This is a quick show of what it looks like without the Danish oil. Now my daughter has been waiting ages to get this filled up with soil. Now let's not keep her waiting. What is that? Look.
Oh,
What is that?
baby fish.
Yeah. So as you can see, she's already prepped the soil inside that plant pot and it's all ready to be filled up in the planter box. Now you can see me taking out the cactuses out of their comfort zone and putting them out into the open world. And yes, they are fighting back as my fingers were full of prickles.
We need water, Daddy,
Why?
because plants cannot grow.
Plants can't grow without water.
Yeah, without water.
Oh, so we need water. Oh no, then does that mean we have to wait for the rain?
No.
So finally, this is the finished product. I'm very happy and very impressed with the way it turned out. It was a very easy project. So like I said, this is great for a beginner woodworking project. I've got very exciting projects coming up very soon. So to not miss out, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell and leave a comment to let me know what you guys think of my planter box. How would you have done it any different? Thank you for watching.